How to download Alight Motion on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can download Alight Motion on PC. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up a browser and in the search bar type in Alight Motion download. Press enter in your keyboard. Then you will land on different search results. Here you can open up any sites where you can download the Alight Motion from. But for now, we will head towards the Alight Motion APKs.com, the second link from the search results. Click on it. And this is one of the official websites from where you can download the Alight Motion. Here, scroll down a bit and there is this download now button. Click on it and this Alight Motion will be downloaded in your device. Here, scroll down a bit and here it says latest functions and with the latest option. So you will find the latest updates of the application right here. So in order to install it, click on download now, and with that this application will be downloaded in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.